Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Febitri Andrian from IKI SKL. Today, I will present about electrical instrumentation of hydropower plant. Hydroelectric power plant is a power plant with a working medium of water. Generally, hydroelectric power plant is an energy conversion machine consisting of a dam, reservoir, penstock, turbine, draft tube, powerhouse, and electricity terminal. Next, how a hydroelectric works? First, flowing water is directed at a turbine. Second, the flowing water causes the turbine to rotate, converting the water kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Our working system is to take advantage of the flow of water that is accommodated in a dam, then flow into potential energy of water, which will converted into kinetic energy to turn a turbine and produce electromagnetic induction, which become electricity. Next component of PLTA or hydroelectric plant. First, reservoir, dam, generator, transformer, turbine, outflow, penstock, control gate, intake. A powerhouse is for generator and transformer, turbine, and last are power lines. Next component of hydroelectric, first control gate. Control gate is the regulator of water ingress into the penstock leading to the turbine. Control gates can be opened and closed at operating time or in case of problem with turbines or other components. Next, turbine. Turbines have to convert potential energy to mechanical energy. The water will hit the spokes of the turbine so that the turbine rotates. The turbine rotation is connected to the generator. Turbine have working principle that is as follow the force of waterfall that push the propeller causing the turbine to spin. Water turbine use water to rotation turbine. The turbine then convert potential energy to mechanical energy. Next, generator. The generator is connected to the turbine through a rotary gear so that when the turbine blades rotate, it will rotate. The generator utilizes the rotation of the turbine to rotate the magnetic coil in the generator so that a movement of electrons produce AC electronic current. The generator is connected to a step-up transformer to increase the main voltage before electricity is transmitted. Next, transformator. Transformator equipped with the serve to distribute power or electrical power from high volt to low voltage or for low voltage to high voltage. Next, transmission line. Transmission line is used to transmit electric power from the generator station or power plant to the distribution station to the consumer of electricity user. Intake. The water intake must be able to divert the required amount of water into a power canal or into penstock without producing a negative impact on the local environment. Next, penstock. Penstock is a water channel into the turbine with a certain slope angle to get a good water flow. Penstock is two. First, penstock horseshoe and penstock pedestal. Next, control room. A control room or operation room is a space that functions as a central room where large physical facilities or physically dispersed service can be monitored and controlled. The control room will often be part of major command center. Control room in the plan serve as a room that becomes the center of supervision of a component of hydropower as well as a place of TCS, controller of hydropower. In control room is using the SCADA. SCADA is supervisory control and data acquisition. SCADA is computer-based control system commonly used for the process of supervision, measurement, and control in real time, and also able to store all data into SCADA system. This is a SCADA system. From control room building, plan. Next, SCADA for component 1, MTU or Master Terminal Unit is a device that issues order to Remote Terminal Unit or RTU located on the remote area, collect data, need, store information. This MTU provide the user with Human Machine Interface or HMI and automatically manages the system according to Remote Terminal Unit is a device can record information from sensor and actuator that are in the file in real time. 3. Sensor and actuator. 4. Communication network. Plus and minus hydroelectric. Plus, the first, hydropower has a long life. Second, hydropower or PLTA output power capacity is quite large. Minus of hydroelectric. First, disturb the balance of the lake ecosystem due to the construction of the dam. Second, dam construction takes a long time. Thank you for your attention. This is a reference. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.